The battery is usually under the hood off and to one side, but it can also be in the trunk, under the back seat, or in the wheel well. Check your car's manual or ask a mechanic if unsure. In this example, the car battery is located in the trunk. Take the CarLock hardwired device out of the box. Locate the battery terminals and loosen the screws. Connect the black ground wire from pin 2 to the negative terminal fastener of the vehicle battery and tighten the screws. Repeat the process with the red power wire from pin 1, connecting it to the positive terminal fastener. Peel off the tape cover and make sure the arrow on the device is pointing toward the front of the vehicle for optimal GPS signal reception. If not positioned correctly, the device won't function properly. Once aligned, firmly secure it to the battery with tape. Download the CarLock app on your phone and activate the device. It won't work without activation. For detailed instructions, refer to the CarLock installation manual included in the box. Once activated, take a drive to allow the device to acquire the GPS location and cellular signal.